The gelatin trick has become one of the most talked about wellness routines of the year, especially among people interested in mindful eating practices. Rather than being framed as a diet, it's usually described as a small habit added before meals. By drinking a warm gelatin mixture ahead of eating, many users say they feel more satisfied and less rushed during meals. Some nutrition discussions suggest this may be related to how gelatin behaves when hydrated. What's important is that most sources emphasize moderation and safety. The routine is not meant to replace meals, and people are encouraged to stay hydrated and seek professional guidance if they have specific health concerns. This balanced, low-pressure approach is one of the main reasons the trend continues to spread online. Additional information about this method is available in the first comment for anyone who wants to learn more.